Welcome to part 132 of Daily English. Today's topic: listening and speaking shadowing practice. Listen and copy the speaker. Example: listen and copy the speaker's pronunciation. Speak at the same time. Example: try to speak at the same time as the audio. Match the rhythm. Example: match the rhythm and stress. Copy the pronunciation. Example: copy the pronunciation as closely as possible. Don't stop. Example: don't stop if you make a mistake. Keep going. Example: keep going until the end. Focus on the sound. Example: focus on the sound, not every word. You're improving. Example: you're improving every day. Practice with short sentences. Example: practice with short sentences before trying longer ones. Mini conversation. Teacher, today we'll practice shadowing. Student, should I speak at the same time? Teacher, yes. Copy the pronunciation and match the rhythm. Student, what if I make a mistake? Teacher, don't stop. Keep going. You're improving. Daily tip. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time as a native speaker. This technique helps improve your pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, listening skills, and speaking fluency. Practice with short sentences first, then gradually move to longer conversations. Speaking challenge. Play a short English conversation and practice shadowing it 3 times. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't stop if you make mistakes. Keep speaking until you sound more natural. Subscribe for part 133. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.